In early September, the stock market sold off Ali Financial by 24%. That's a big drop. The reasons cited were concerns that consumers were having trouble paying back their car loans. That's a legitimate business story that should affect the stock, but 24% was overdone. As you fast forward to the economic news we've gotten over the last couple of weeks, the consumer is doing quite well. People are employed. The unemployment rate is really low. The prospects of the economy look good. Interest rates are dropping. All those positive economic stories lead me to look at Ali Financial as a possible investment. I've invested in Ali Financial in the past, and it was a good performing stock for me. I made money on the stock, and it pays a good dividend. Is it time to get back into Ali? Let me take a look at the stock and share with you what I plan to do with Ali stock. Now, everything I share, I'm an investor, and it's just for your entertainment and educational purposes. It's not to take a directive. It's not recommendation to buy, hold, or sell Ali stock. Please make your decisions independent of this video. I wanted to ask you to become a paid member of this community. There's 3 different programs to consider. There's one that costs $10, one that costs $25, and one that costs $100. Depending on the level that you buy into, you'll get different perks. And I hope you can take a look at the options and see which one fits what you would like to do with this community. Thank you. Ali Financial is a small cap company just at $10.7 billion, and the revenue is $6.78 billion. The PE is nice and low at 15, and next year it's going to drop down to 10. Really attractive low PE. The dividend is nice and healthy at 3.4%. Analysts believe the stock is discounted by close to 12% based on earnings per share. Revenue for Ali has been declining over the last couple of years, principally because car prices have come down. They were really expensive back in 2021. If you recall, used car prices and new car prices went through the roof. And second, interest rates have dropped. And Ali makes money by lending money out and making money on the interest rate it charges. With a lower interest rate, lower revenues. So the revenue has come down in 2022, 23, and in the trailing 12 months, it's down 9.63. It's understandable and explainable. And as interest rates continue to drop, I think Ali will continue to drop in revenue. But the important factor is, will they remain profitable? At this point, the stock has remained profitable. It has continued to drive free cash flows. So I'm not that concerned with the adjustment in the interest rate that's going to affect revenue. 16 analysts cover Ali Financial, and they have opinions that are very optimistic, where the stock would go up to about $50 a share. And the most pessimistic analyst believes the stock could drop as low as 31. Not too broad of a range. I think it's pretty well in a range. And the average is that the stock will rise about 10%. They base it on earnings per share, and earnings per share for this year look good at $3.59. It's going to go up substantially next year to $5.76. And then again, it's going to go up substantially to $7.12. The earnings per share look really healthy in the years to come. When I value Ali, I get a 63% discount. That's a big discount. And the reason I get there is principally on the earnings per share figure. The earnings per share is going to be so prosperous that I think the stock is really worth more than twice its current stock price. You saw how much it was going to go up. And if it does, I think this stock's really going to move. I also price the stock based on book value, and the book value has been increasing. And when I value the company based on book value, I get a 38% discount. So overall, this looks like a really positive investment for me. So should I buy Ali stock or hold off? Well, considering that there was a big drop in the stock, I thought it was a really good opportunity to look at the stock. And second, I've made money on Ali. I understand their cycles in business. I also understand the negative news that came out at the beginning of September. So I think it's an opportunity to take advantage of, I think, an overreaction that the market took in early September. And I've started a position on Ali. I'm going to be buying the stock and loading up on it. I think it's going to be a good investment going forward. The economy in 2025 is expected to be okay. And I think people will continue to buy cars and finance them using Ali. Ali also provides other products like insurance products, as well as they provide an online bank and other types of services, which are doing quite well. So overall, I think it's a good company and I'm going to invest. So that's my story on Ali. Hope you found it interesting. Thank you for watching.